Alright, my name is Blake Parrish, and this is my presentation for the discussion. And this is a picture of me on a couch I found in the woods. It's just a random couch. But yeah, alright, let's get into this. A career that I found that I think is really interesting is a music therapist, but music psychologist, whichever you want. But yeah, so some things they do is a career in music therapy offers challenge, opportunity, and distinctive rewards to those interested in working with people of all ages with various disabilities. Music therapists are employed in many different settings, including general and psychiatric hospitals, community mental health agencies, rehabilitation centers, daycare facilities, nursing homes, schools, and private practice. Music therapists provide services for adults and children with psychiatric disorders, cognitive and developmental disabilities, speech and hearing impairments, physical disabilities, and neurological impairments, among others. So they work with people of all ages with like a wide variety of problems. And basically what they do is they just will have the patient with them, and they'll just like play music with them or for them to like if they're playing with them, it'll improve their cognitive abilities and they'll be learning. But sometimes they can just play music for them and it'll just like help with like anxiety, or they're just like mental health, just to, like calm them down, or just something like that. The education required. The education of a music therapist is unique among college degree programs because it not only allows a thorough study of music, but encourages examination of oneself as well as others. The undergraduate curriculum includes coursework in music therapy, psychology, music, biological, social, and behavioral sciences, disabilities, and general studies. Entry-level study includes practical application of music therapy procedures and techniques learned in the classroom through required field work in facilities serving individuals with disabilities in the community and or on-campus clinics. At the completion of AMTA-approved academic training or internship, the student is eligible for admission to the certification exam administered by the Certification Board of Music Therapists. This is a 4-year plan that I found for music therapy. And it's basically, you can do like 1 or 2 of these classes each semester, and it'll help you just check off each thing that you need, check off each thing that you need, or each thing that's required for you to be a music therapist. So, yeah. Why did I choose a major in psychology? I initially chose psychology as my major because I was watching a show called Frasier, which is about a psychiatrist and his like chaotic life, so I thought it would be cool to be like him. But as I have learned about it, I'm getting a lot more interested in psychology. I like learning about mental disabilities, and I want to learn more about them so I can know how to help people with their own mental disabilities and figure out what's wrong. I have really bad anxiety, and talking to a psychologist helps me sometimes, and I would love to get a turn to be the person, or to be that person to somebody else, and that way so they can just talk to me, and then I could maybe provide some like relief in some aspect. But yeah, alright.